Hello everybody and welcome back to the Single Dad Nomad. We are here in beautiful Medellin, Colombia. What do you think of it?
I love it!
Yeah, it's quite a nice place, and we are staying in this apartment complex back here. We have all kinds of amenities that I want to show you outside before we head inside. For example, right here is a little barbecue area. It's got a place to cook your food, to wash your dishes, and to sit down. Beyond that, there are some sports fields. And the mountain too. Yep, we'll get to the mountain. We'll show all of this off. Before we head on inside, let's talk a little bit about living in Medellin and why we chose this place. Number one, the cost of this place is phenomenal, especially compared to places that I was staying in the United States or in Mexico, for example. Number two, we live in a really quiet and beautiful environment. You can see that it's actually quite outdoorsy here. It doesn't feel like we're in the middle of a city. And number three, even though we're not centrally located in Medellin, we still have all the amenities, everything we need within walking distance. So it really saves on the cost of living since we don't have to transport ourselves to many places. Unless of course we're going to the mall or something like that, right?
Right.
Right.
Oh great, you say right. Right.
Yep, so let's go for a little walk and I'll show you around outside before we head up into the apartment and we take you for a little tour.
This is gonna be fun!
Yes, it will. Let's go! So as we start heading inside here, you can see the barbecue place behind me. We've actually never used it. It was closed for about a month when we first got here. It's just that there's no reason to really barbecue outside unless you're probably having a party because it's so cheap to live here and the cost of living, say, getting some food delivered is just ridiculously inexpensive. There she comes. Here, however, is something that I really appreciate. Yeah. It's a basketball soccer court. They have both, of course, if you want to play any of the sports. They have the little nets right here and the big nets too for people. And that's much bigger here than basketball. I've actually never even seen anyone playing basketball here. But there are people playing soccer and tennis right now. So let's keep going and we'll check out the rest of this place. Here's the tennis court right here. Something about these sports courts is that even though they have them, people really only use them on the weekends. You know, that's why we came out here on the weekend too, so I could show you people actually using it. Just walking down this path here, it gives you a sense of how much room there is within our enclosure. And this is all gated off too. You can't get into any of this unless you're actually living within one of the buildings that's in this complex. So that's kind of nice. It keeps it nice and private. Here is another soccer court right here. You can see that this one has like the AstroTurf to it. So I'm sure people appreciate that. That's probably why they're playing on that instead of the concrete. That kid could probably beat me and he's like probably, what, 11 years old? Look at that. Rocket. Also couldn't tell you why, but they have this volleyball court over here and it's all fenced off. Looks like it's okay to me, but maybe there's rocks or something in it. Here's just another view of the place. Okay, we're gonna head down to the pool and take a walk through what they have for some other amenities in this place.
Taking one more breath beside you.
So this is kind of down in the, I don't know, you would say maybe the center of this place, the central place. It's kind of cool. They got a little golf course here they can play in. There is a park right over here. Marvin loves playing in that. The sand's really nice and fine. Good places for her to enjoy. Check it out. And it's right next to the pool too.
I want to pet that dog!
So here in, go ahead, honey. Here in this building behind us, they have a series of amenities. They have a Turkish spa right here and a sauna. Right over here, they have, I think that guy's trying to hide from me. They have like a little family room right there. Up here, they have an exercise room, and then up top, they have like a sunbathing area. So I'll show you a little bit real quick around here in these outside amenities.
First step out of the maze, follow the path and wander, and let go.
Finally came up to the top of this building that I was just telling you about. It's the one up above the pool, and I'd never actually been to the top of it. I thought it was just a sunbathing place. Apparently they have another place to barbecue up here, so this is nice. Look at the view. Pretty good looking place, huh? I'm telling you guys, once I finally tell you the price of this, you're gonna be stoked too. Like, what? That's what you're paying for this place? Yeah, check out this dope view. So one of the things that I love about this place is how safe it is. So you can see right here behind me, there's the parking garage on the outside. There's the portarias, and you can't get in without going through this locked gate right here. So totally secure, pretty nice. So we are down here now at the entrance to our actual building. This is tower number 1. Let's head in through the elevator, which takes us up, thankfully. Elevators, bam! Pretty nice little elevator here. Now you're seeing from the view of the actual camera. Film them filming us. What's up, creepy cameras? Okay guys, we are finally to the apartment. Let's go inside and check it out.
We're gonna have lots of fun in here.
So we take our shoes off in this house, even though they might not do that in this culture, from what I've heard from a few people. Can't verify that. Haven't been in any Colombian's home yet, really. So let's take a little tour of what we got here, okay? Okay, so we're going to start off in the living room here. Obviously, that's where lots of people like to start off with. This is an Airbnb, so a lot of the pictures and the artwork is of the taste of the people who own this place. I kind of like this deer head over here. That's kind of cool. There's a little couch right here. It doesn't fold out or anything like that, but it is fairly comfortable for how small it is. On the opposite side over here is where you're going to find our porch and our balcony right here, looking down outside, and I'll give you a view of that.
Hammock too.
Yeah, the hammock too. And when you're looking out over this view, you'll see these other buildings over here that just look pretty cool. You'll see the basketball court down there, their skate park, dog area, more of Medellin over there, so pretty cool. There's a grocery store over there as well. We also have a hammock right here. All you gotta do is hook it up to the other side. That's super easy. It's just not hooked up right now for convenience of getting around this place.
And we got in our refrigerator right here. We added a few things on.
Can you tell us what you added onto the refrigerator?
Okay, I added onto a sun and a picture.
Yeah.
And even a pixie.
Yep, so Auburn's artwork really decorates the fridge really well. Always appreciate that everywhere we go. She's always got the place looking nice. So here's the rest of the kitchen. It's fully stocked. We have a 4-burner stove back here, a pretty deep basin sink right here that works pretty well. There's a little kind of like breakfast table right here where we can keep some things. We got the microwave and all that kind of stuff. Back here we have a washer. It's been super useful. I really appreciate having this, a place to hang up the clothes to let them dry too. Here's the table where we eat and get everything done.
Some flowers too.
Yeah, we did. We added these flowers. They're anywhere between $3 and $5 and they last about 2 weeks. So we think it's useful to keep it smelling kind of nice in here and to keep it nice and colorful as well. And also down here, yeah, let us know down in the comments. Auburn wants to know which one is your favorite flower. Okay, so let us know down in the comments what's your favorite flower. Also, you can see Auburn sitting at my digital Nomad office right here. I'll actually link you up to a playlist you can see to see more about what I use for my digital Nomad office and how I can get work done while we travel the world. So next I'll take you into the bathroom. This is a bathroom, so I don't want to spend too much time in here. Auburn says she really likes the sink. I really like the shower. What do you guys think of the artwork? Huh? Pretty cool. What's your favorite one? Let us know down in the comments. Mine is the sea star.
Mine is a sea star too.
Auburn's is also the sea star. Okay, so let's take a little trip into Auburn's room and maybe she can tell us what's going on in here.
Yay!
Auburn, what's going on in your bedroom? Can you let us know?
Yep, here's all my dollies where they ride on.
Those your dollies? And that's their little riding toy thing? That's very cool. You got lots of closet space over here too. Way too much closet space actually in this place for us. Way more than what we need. And even her room has a pretty good view out here too. Not bad.
It's a tiger.
It's a tiger.
Rainbow.
Okay, let's go show off the rest of the house, okay? So just moving into the last room of the house, this is my bedroom. This is where the TV actually is. We got some Netflix going on. Auburn was watching the Wildcrats. You can check out the view here too. Still a pretty good view. And here is the bedroom. A pretty big mattress, nice and comfortable. Both of the beds, been appreciating that. We've been sleeping really well. Some more gigantic closet space. I will never use any of this. I have like 5 shirts. And so last but not least, I know you guys are always curious about how much it costs to live in places like this. This place right here comes out to about $335 per month. That's everything included. Don't have to pay any electricity or gas or water and anything like that. This is on Airbnb. It's a great system to finding accommodation around the world. I use it all the time. I'll actually put a link down in the description box for you if you want to get started on Airbnb. It's an awesome code discount for you as well. I think it's $40 off your initial stay and $15 off any kind of activity that you do through the platform. So guys, if you appreciated this video, please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to leave me the comments about what your favorite flower was, what your favorite artwork was, and leave me any questions that you have about living in Medellin. Don't forget to give this video a like, smash that button. But before you go, please check out this video over here to see another apartment that I toured in Medellin. And why not check out this video over here to learn why I left the United States in the first place. I will see you next time. Peace.